Hello, I'm Rohan, and today we're going to use one finger, just one finger, the index finger, to play reggae guitar. So we're going to use our index finger to play G minor and A minor. Alright, so let's go straight to it. The 3rd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string. That gives you G minor. I'm just holding the 3 top strings. Then I move down 1, 2. Then I'm holding the 1st string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, all in the 5th fret. And that gives us A minor. So it sounds like this. So that's G, and that's A. And we play it like so. So that's how you use one finger to play reggae chords, and you can do that for hundreds of reggae songs. So let us practice together very slowly. After 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how you practice that. Now, obviously, it can sound a bit boring. So what you can do, you can slide in and out of chords. Let me show you that now. All right, so you can slide in and out of the chords. The other thing you can do, you can add other embellishments, such as so all I'm doing is, so I strum up and mute the strings when I strum down. So it's a strum up and down. Alright? Okay, so you strum up, let it ring out, and then mute it on the downstroke. But you have to do it quick. Right? You can also walk the chords up to another. Let us practice this then with a backing track. Here we go. spice it up as well. Let me show you. That's it. So make sure you practice that, make sure you become comfortable with that, and make sure you keep grooving to reggae music. If you want the backing track to this, I will put it in a post below, and you can go to reggaeinstrumental.net and get it there. For those people who are members, let me just shout out to all the members of this channel. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. You can get the backing track for free if you contact me at reggaeinstrumental.net, as well as I will post it in the membership area as a video for you to jam along with. So remember to subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, and make sure you become a member. Members get videos early, you can ask me questions, and there are other bits and pieces that you will get as well. Thank you for stopping by. Keep grooving to reggae music. Thank you.